Welcome back to the cafeteria. Today I am making tuna salad. This is everything you're going to need. I'm going to be using 4 cans of tuna and oil, some mayo, some ranch, some celery, some onion, and some green bell pepper. So I'm going to start off by cutting half of my green bell pepper, and I'm going to cut my onion up nice and fine, not too big, not too small. Then I'm going to move on to cutting my celery. Once I have all my veggies cut up, I'm going to drain the oil from 3 of my cans of tuna, and I'm going to add those to the bowl. And then I'm going to add my last can of tuna to the bowl with its oil. So I'm going to add the tuna and the oil. And then I'm going to season it. To season my tuna, I'm going to use some seasoned salt, some garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, celery salt, and some Italian seasoning. And you don't have to go too crazy. I'm not adding a whole lot of seasoning. It just looks like it, but just add a little bit and you're good. After I season my tuna, I'm going to add my chopped veggies to the tuna, and then I'm going to give it another little stir. After that, I'm going to add just a drizzle of ranch to add a little touch of more flavor to the tuna. And then I'm going to add some mayo. Now, I don't measure the amount of mayo that I add. I just added enough to give it that creamy texture, but I don't want to add too much where it's too loose and the tuna is runny. Now that you have everything mixed together, you're going to cover your tuna and put it in the refrigerator to chill for about 20 minutes. Now, while I was making my tuna, I had some eggs boiling because I love eggs in my tuna. Now, you can remove the yolk or you can leave it like I am. It adds little colors to the tuna. It really doesn't matter. It doesn't affect the flavor. So I'm going to just roughly chop these eggs up. Then I'm going to toss them in my tuna, mix it up, and I'm done. Now, I'm going to eat my tuna with these Tuscan cheese crackers. You can eat your tuna with crackers. You can eat it on toast like I'm going to show you in the video. And you can also just eat it alone. However you want, enjoy your tuna. Now that I have my tuna plated up, I'm ready to enjoy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.